It takes only a few seconds to make a decision on the road, but the consequences do not move at the same speed. In urban traffic, a single car parked in the wrong place can be enough to throw everything into disorder. Park time brings you moments when patience reaches its limit and events unfold in ways no one expects. Let's take a look at what happened in this situation. It looks like a confrontation may have happened here. Do you see it that way too? Drivers who block the road with their parking, be careful. Choose the right place to park. One wrong spot and the ending won't be so easy. Is this the new way delivery drivers wrap oversized packages? Even when sitting inside the car, it seems you still have to join the fun. Oh no, my car! I didn't even get a chance to do anything. Even these dogs seem shocked by the stupidity of this FedEx driver. What this guy is doing is extremely dangerous. Don't try this. This is just one of the countless reasons you should never park in the middle of the road. If he asks for compensation, I honestly wouldn't feel any sympathy. Even the police have to follow the law.
Is it for real? Is it for real?
Don't blame anyone else when you're the one who did it wrong. Don't use your car to block a larger vehicle like that. You'll pay dearly for it. Does anyone know someone who can come wash a car right at noon? The goal wasn't to clear the snow, it was to clear the car. What would you do in this situation? This must be the classic fishing method, right guys?
Hit it right into the U-haul.
Looks like he's actively inviting trouble for himself. Both sides are giving it everything to win this tug of war. This mud bath feels great. I even got a new paint job. At this point, he probably can't even recognize which car is his anymore. What exactly did this car have to endure? We should work hard just to avoid paying this $1,000 fine. How did he manage to trap an entire rock under the car? I bet they're praying their car makes it out without damage.
That's real nice.
This bizarre incident is something no one could have predicted. Park in the wrong place, and the city helps you find a new one. This kind of move is really hard on the car, my friends. Now, this is how you dump dirt properly clean and efficient. Have you ever been trapped in a no-exit parking lot like this?
真係撞開佢。哇！有冇撞到隔離嗰部啊？
A safe distance isn't about following rules. It's about protecting lives and vehicles. This is how illegally parked cars are towed where I live, less than a minute. No need for a shop. The wall behind handled the drainage just fine. When you park your car and someone leaves you a message in physical form, he's probably just cleaning up the parking lot, not taking revenge for losing a spot, right? Don't worry, my friend. I'll save you. Sorry, buddy. I have to use force to move your car. Don't steal his parking spot, little guy. You might regret it.
Oh no! ¡Hostia!
Maybe we should all go for a free car wash right now. Everyone wants to leave quickly until a single car blocks the way. And the ending of this video is something no one could have predicted. Maybe she's upset about the loud exhaust, not the illegal parking, right? She kind of looks like Alexis. Park illegally, and the BMW gets taught how to stand properly. Wake me up when he's finished and finally starts moving. If you're not confident behind the wheel, sometimes muscle power like this woman uses is the solution. Don't anger picky neighbors by parking in front of their house. I can't believe this happens so close to where I live. Don't park foolishly, my friend. Pay attention to where you stop. Sometimes letting women drive turns out to be a mistake, at least according to some. Even in traffic jams, stay in your lane and leave space for pedestrians. This guy drives like he's in a demolition race. In this situation, do you think the driver parked correctly or not? It took real effort to park the car, but it seems the driver forgot to check the spot. In traffic, consequences don't always appear the moment a decision is made. Sometimes they arrive minutes later, after the person responsible has already left, and everything begins to spiral out of control. A small choice may leave no mark on the one who made it, but it can affect countless others behind them.